What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all keeping well. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing / reviewing / showing you an on-feet look at these. By now you'll know it is the Balenciaga Speed sneaker or Speed sock, however you want to say it. And these trainers have literally been so popular over the last 2 years, and as soon as I first saw a pair, I just knew I had to get them. Just to let you all know, before we get into the unboxing, these aren't going to be completely box fresh, only because I've had them for a few months now and I've worn them a few times, but I've given them a little clean and they're pretty fresh. There's actually 2 versions of this trainer. The first pair was released in 2017, which we can call the OGs. It should be going across your screen now. There's 2 differences, such as the sole is completely white, there's no colour, and the Balenciaga font is different. This is the most recent version of the Speed sneaker, and its retail price is $495, but I got it much cheaper from where I work, which I might actually reveal in another video, so stay tuned for that. Before I buy anything, I always try and sell a few bits, so it's not that much of a hit. So before getting these, I sold my Yeezy 700 Mauves, which helped a lot. So I'm going to do the full unboxing from top to bottom and then give you my honest review on this trainer. We'll start with the box, and an interesting fact for you guys is that recently Balenciaga moved manufacturing and production to China instead of Italy. So if your crepes were made in Italy, you'll get this really cool white box like I've got here. And if they were made in China, you'll get this new issue grey cardboard box. When opening the box, you'll see 2 really smart Balenciaga dust bags, which I'm pretty sure I will never use. And there's also a ton of stuffing in there, so the trainers are really well protected. I'm going to start from the sole and then work my way up to the upper. But being completely honest, this is a very clean trainer, so there isn't that much to talk about. So I'm going to try and keep things as interesting as possible. We have a beautiful chunky sole, which looks great from the sides and the back. The sole itself is completely shock absorbent, which makes for a very comfortable wear. And I can be honest here and say this is definitely one of the most comfortable trainers I've ever worn. There's 2 bits of engraved branding on the sole, just on the heel and then on the sole. The upper is constructed of this really cool stretch knit fabric, so it makes taking the trainer on and off very easy and very comfortable. And then either side of the trainer, on the left and the right side, there's Balenciaga branding, just about where your little toe should sit. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. It's a very minimalistic, fashion forward trainer. And now let me show you how it looks on. In that little clip, I styled these trainers with some weekday trousers and some ASOS shorts. So I want to give you my honest review. Even though I love these trainers, I just don't think they warrant that $495 price point, and here's a few reasons. 1, the quality. Like I said, I've been wearing these trainers for about a month now, and one thing I've noticed already is that along the toe cap, where the fabric connects to it, it started to break away a little bit. And as soon as I saw it, it just kind of deflated me, because for the price point you're paying, like, I expected to maybe happen after like a year of like full-on wear, but after a month it was a little bit disappointing. I don't think the fabric's very strong on this trainer, but it's just my opinion. And another thing as well that annoyed me was the sizing. No joke, the sizing for these trainers are all over the place. I'm usually a men's 7, maybe a men's 6. For these trainers, I went down to a men's 6. I mean, I would recommend dropping a size down. If there's one thing you take from this video, please drop a size down, because as soon as you put your foot in there, the fabric starts stretching automatically. I wish I actually went for a men's 5. So I took a 6 and I had to chuck an inner sole in it, and it feels really good. But that's just one thing to bear in mind, the sizing. And because of like the fabric is quite stretchy, as soon as your foot's in there, it's going to automatically stretch. One last thing, and I feel really bad, like I'm really slating this trainer, but it's just my honest opinions at the end of the day. I feel the sole marks really easily, so I'll just be wearing them around at work, and yeah, like at the end of the day, I'll just be like loads of marks on the sole, which I don't know where they're from. So I always find myself clearing them up at the end of each day. I'm definitely not going to wear these trainers as much as I do. I'm just going to save them for nice occasions and a few nice outfits. So that's my unboxing and review of the Balenciaga Speed sneaker. I hope you've enjoyed the insight and it's given you enough information to go on before you potentially buy this trainer. I'd love to know what you think of this video, guys, so definitely drop a few comments down below. And if you've got any questions about sizing or anything like that, just hit me up and I'll always get back to you. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like the video and also to subscribe to the channel. My name's Charlie Turner and I will see you very soon in the next video.